Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Instagram story from being visible only to your close friends to being visible to everyone. So first, you need to go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device, log into your account, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, tap on the three lines in the top right to go to your settings and activity section. From here, you need to go ahead and scroll all the way down and go to your close friends section. If you find a story with a green ring around it, this means that the story is currently set to be shared only with your close friends. Make sure you untick the boxes of the friends that you have done so, then tap on Done in the bottom. And once there are 0 friends on your close friend list, select the photo or video that you want to share among your friends and not to your close friends only. Then tap on this arrow button over here. Tap directly on this arrow that is in the white circle. Once you do that, you'll get 3 different options of your story, close friends, and message. Make sure that you've selected your story and then tap on share. This way, your story will be shared among your friends and will be public if your account is public and not private. Now the corners of your story will have the normal Instagram colors, indicating that it's successfully been changed to visible to everyone. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.